Hi guys, I'm Avneet. I have completed my Masters of Commerce in Accountancy and Finance. I also wanted to do something more in finance sector and investment banking, and that is when I came across this course. Then I knew about BIA from since long, and I have also seen some of my friends coming here. Then I got connected to the counselor, and then I got to know about this curriculum, which actually I liked the curriculum because it is very industry related. Then we came across many basic topics and many industry related topics, that was mergers and acquisitions, financial modeling, financial analysis, and many more. And we also got, like, the teachers were really industry specialists and they gave us few real life examples as well. Then I gave my capstone, and yeah, the person was also an industry research. And yes, I'm the batch topper as well. And here's my trophy.